Hey fam, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are talking about a meme coin Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu, commonly known as Shiba token, is the hottest and fastest growing cryptocurrency among the top 30, a decentralized spontaneous community building project. Shiba Inu designers have a big plan for the project and they are presently working on NFT, non-fungible token. It is one of the most popular cryptocurrency today and it is built on Ethereum blockchain. The Shiba Inu has been called Doge Killer by its community. Because of the growing popularity of Dogecoin, the cryptocurrency has quickly received international attention. The crypto market is extremely volatile and unpredictable, and cryptocurrencies that have no justification to be at the top are frequently pumped up. There were 400 trillion Shiba Inu tokens in the circulation right now, with a market capitalization of $3 billion. After listed in Binance, the Shiba Inu coin, its price has skyrocketed. Further, Shiba Inu has risen because of the popularization of the currency. Many social media influencers has continued to promote it on the platform. Ethereum founder Vitalik Buterin donated $1 billion worth Shiba Inu tokens to the Indian COVID Relief Fund. It's difficult to say if the currency will continue to rise or if a reversal will happen. We are all seen a lot of pump and dump schemes in the market before. According to the digital coin data prediction, the price will increase in the future and it is a profitable and cheap investment. The token price is cheaper, user can store billions or trillions of them. However, don't put all your savings in Bitcoin. It is not a good idea. And do your own study before investing any. Buying is risk, but selling is even riskier because of you might lose more money than you invested in. Over the last several months, the Shiba Inu coin has trading in the crypto community. Since Dogecoin hype has faded down, many new crypto lovers has been actively promoting the Shiba Inu coin. Yes, I believe it will reach $1. Not immediately, but definitely, and much sooner than we expect. Because the Shiba Inu developers are actively building a creative idea for the product that backs their coin. The Shiba swap looks promising and genuine. It is a well popular for being a joke, but it is really as a product behind it that makes it is not at all a joke. It is not a funny coin, but the name is cute. Shiba Swap is a coin exchange similar to Uniswap, and most other swaps you will go there to exchange a coin for another. Shiba Swap will allow us to stake Shiba currency for Bone, T-Bone, X-Bone and other tokens. And they will set that if the number of tokens grow too larger, the currency will be validated to maintain the higher value. Interesting, nobody ever said anything like that about their currency. They also said they prepared to burn token when they needed. The coin was created only for the purpose of earning money and has no intrinsic value. If the market loses faith in such currencies, the value might be fall quickly. You should be careful when investing in a currencies like a Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, SafeMoon or others because they can provide you rapid profit but can leave you with a massive loss if they fall. I hope you like the video. If you do, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more informative videos. Thank you.